Now students, we are going to start chapter 2 fraction exercise 2.1. Question 1 is given, solve. First is given 2 minus 3 upon 5. Look here. One is fraction number given, one is whole number. So numerator is given, denominator is not there. So when denominator is not given, that time you can count 1. So what I will write here, 2 upon 1 minus 3 upon 5. Now minus symbol is here, so we can take LCM of 1 and 5 LCM, right? So I will write LCM 5. I want here 5 LCM, so I will multiply numerator by 5 and denominator 5. Here 5 LCM already given, so I will multiply by 1. 5 ones are 5. For numerator also 1 and denominator also multiply by 1. So 5 ones are 5 I have written. Now 2 5s are 10, right? Now here 5 ones are 5 already written. Now 3 ones are 3. Now 10 minus 3. 10 minus 3 is equal to 7 upon 5. Now you can divide, numerator big and denominator is small. So 7 by 5. 5 ones are 5. 7 minus 5, 2. 1 integer 2 upon 5. Your answer will be 1 integer 2 upon 5. Now coming to the next part, second, 4 plus 7 upon 8. Here also denominator is not given, so write 1. Now what will LCM? 8 and 1 is given, so 8 LCM, right? So I will multiply numerator and denominator by 8. Here 1 is given, I want 8 LCM, so I will multiply by 8. Here 8 already LCM, so I will multiply by 1, numerator and denominator both. Now write 8 LCM, 8 ones are 8. Now 4 8s are 32 plus 7 ones are 7. 8 ones are 8 already written. Now 32 plus 7, 39 upon 8. Again numerator is big, so you can divide. Now divide 39 by 8. 8 4s are 32. 9 minus 2, 7. So your answer will be 4 integer 7 upon 8. 4 integer 7 upon 8. Now coming to the third part. Third is given 3 upon 5 plus 2 upon 7. Now LCM of 5 and 7, 35. Look here, 5, there is no common number, and 7 also. 5 ones are 5, 7 as it is, 7 ones are 7. So LCM of 5 and 7, 5 sevens are 35. Right here LCM 35. I want here 35, so I will multiply by 7. 5 sevens are 35. Here 7 LCM, so 7 5s are 35. Now multiply numerator and denominator both by 7. So 5 sevens are 35. Now 7 3s are 21 plus. Now 5 sevens are 35. 5 2s are 10. 21 plus 10 is equal to 31 upon 35. Now you can't divide because numerator is small and denominator is big. Now coming to the fourth part. Fourth is given 9 upon 11 minus 4 upon 15. Now look, both individual numbers, so LCM of 11 and 15 is equal to 11 multiplied by 15. So LCM take out 11 ones are 11, 15 as it is, 15 ones are 15. Now LCM of 11 and 15, 11 multiplied by 15. 5 ones are 5, 5 ones are 5. Now 10 plus 0, 1 ones are 1, 1 ones are 1. 5 plus 1 6, 1. 165 LCM. So I want here 165. So I will multiply 11 multiply 15. So 165. Yeah, 15 is given. So 15 multiply 11 is equal to 165. Now 9 multiply 15 and 11 multiply 15. Here 4 multiply 11 and 15 multiply 11. Look here, 11 multiply 15, 165. Now 9 15 multiply 9 is equal to 135. Now here 15 multiply 11, 165. Right, minus 11 fours are 44. Now 135 minus 44, 5 minus 4, 1, 13 minus 4, 9, 91 upon 165. It is your answer. Now coming to the fifth part. Fifth is given 7 upon 10 plus 2 upon 5 plus 3 upon 2. Now take LCM of 10, 5 and 2. Find the LCM 10, 5 and 2. Start from prime number 2. 5 are 10, 5 as it is, 2 ones are 2, again 5 ones are 5, 5 ones are 5, 1. LCM of 10, 5 and 2, 2 multiply 5, 10. Right? Here 10 LCM is given already, so multiply by 1, 10 ones are 10. Here I want 10, 5 is given, so 5 twos are 10. Here 2 is given, so 2 5s are 10. Right? Now multiply numerator and denominator both. Now I will write 10 ones are 10. Here 7 ones are 7. Again 5 twos are 10. 2 twos are 4. Now write this plus. Now 2 5s are 10. Again 5 3s are 15. Now 15 plus 4, 19. 19 plus 7, 26. Now you can cut 13 twos are 26 and 5 twos are 10. 2 to cut. 13 upon 5. Again numerator is big, denominator is small, so you can divide 13 by 5. 5 twos are 10. 3, 1 minus 1 0. So 2 integer 3 upon your 5 is your answer. 2 integer 3 upon 5. Now coming to the next 6. 2 integer 2 upon 3 plus 3 integer 1 upon 2. Now mixed fraction is given, so convert in a simple 3 multiply 2 plus whatever answer you get add 2. So write 3 2s are 6, 6 plus 2 8 upon 3 plus 3 multiply 2, 3 2s are 6, 6 plus 1 7, 7 upon 2. Now LCM of 3 and 2, 6, right? Right here 6. Here I want 6 LCM, so 3 multiply by 2, 6. Here 2 multiply by 3, 6. Multiply by numerator and denominator. Denominator divide, multiply. 3 2s are 6 already written. 8 2s are 16. Now plus as it is. Now 7 3s are 21. 3 2s are 6. Right? Now 16 plus 21. 6 plus 1 7. 2 plus 1 3. 7. 37. Now upon 6. Now again numerator is big, denominator small, so you can divide. Now 37 by 6. 6 6 are 36. 7 minus 6 1. So 6 integer 1 upon 6 is your answer. 6 integer 1 upon 6. Now coming to the 7th part. 8 integer 1 upon 2 minus 3 integer 5 upon 8. Convert in a simple 8 2s are 16 plus 1 17. 17 upon 2 minus 8 3s are 24 plus 5 29. 29 upon 8. Now take LCM of 8 and 2. 2 1s are 2, 2 4s are 8, 2 1 as it is, 2 2s are 4, again 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4, 2s are 8. LCM is 8. Here 8 already given, so I will multiply by 1, numerator and denominator. Here 2 LCM, so 4 2s are 8, so multiply by 4. Now 4 2s are 8, denominator written. Now 7 4s are 68. ये 29 1s are 29. Now 68 minus 29. Here 18, 18 minus 9, 9, 5, 5 minus 2, 3, 39 upon 8. Again numerator is big, so you can divide. Now 39 by 8. So 8 4s are 32. 9 minus 4, 9 minus 2, 7. 3 minus 3, 0. 4 integer 7 upon 8 is your answer. 4 integer 7 upon 8. Now coming to the next question.